how to take input from user in Java. Guys, let's discuss this program line by line. So in the first line, this line imports the scanner class from the java.util package, and since the scanner class is not available by default, importing it is necessary before using it. And if this statement is omitted, the compiler will generate an error because it will not recognize the scanner class. After that, we will declare the class with the name user input and then write the main method, which is the entry point of every Java application that we know. And you should also know JVM, Java Virtual Machine, starts executing the program from this method. So after that, we will create the scanner object by writing this code. In this, scanner specifies the class. SC is the object that will be used to read input. New is the keyword that allocates memory and creates the object. And system.in connects the object to the keyboard, which allows it to receive user input. And we can see that without creating this object, the program cannot read the data from user. After that, we will display the message by writing this code system.out.print method. There we will write enter your name, and then the code string name equals to sc.next line method. And this next line method reads the complete line entered by the user, including spaces, until the enter key is pressed, and the entered text is stored in the variable name, this one. Then again we will display a message, this enter your age. Then we will write the code int age equals to sc.nextInt method. It reads the integer values that we know that we already discussed this in a previous video. And after that, we will display these entered values using this code. Here we will use the system.out.println method, and these statements displays the values that entered by the user. Like even if we write name in name, we will, if we enter Ram, and then his age is in 25, then it will be show as output. Then after that, we have to write sc.close method for closing and releasing the resources associated with it. Although small programs may not work, I was saying that the small programs may work without closing the scanner, but it is considered a good programming practice, so remember that. So let's see its output. I write it, so just assume you write C in a system. So guys, here this kind of output you will get if you write this code in your system. First, in your system you will enter the name, then age, then the information will be displayed. How? By using those statements. Remember system.out.println, they will print that like this. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you understand this program. Thank you for listening to me.